Hi, I'm Randy Vance, and thanks for joining me today on my dock. You know, when I work around the boat, I really like to use cordless tools almost exclusively. That's because I think they're safer and they're easier. When you're working around the water, a 120 volt power cord can be a little hazardous if you're not extremely careful. This new device here, it's a vacuum they call the Cube. It's from Worx. Now, we've run several of their tools and had great results with them. It's a 2-speed vacuum cleaner. You can see that the hose nests in the handle, comes with an extension. You've got a brush tool and you've got a crevice tool. Now, the nice part about it is it goes wherever you go. And if you really have bigger, heavier stuff to pick up, run it on second power. Imagine that, all the potato chip crumbs. Now, it takes up less space than your coffee maker, and you can charge it at home and then bring it out complete with the battery installed. Stow it on the boat till your next task. You know, the kids on board, brownie crumbs, potato chip crumbs, vacuum. I'm Randy Vance. Thanks for joining me on my dock.